Division. Different methods of division. Let's start with Mobali. Method 1. What is my sum? 1386 divided by 42. We are going to make use of multiplication to get the answer. Now let's start with our divisor. 42 times 10 equals 420. Why did we start with 10? Remember, we are going to make use of estimation. So we start it small. 420, we are not near 1386 yet. Let's do another one. 42 times 10 equals 420. Now it's easy to say that 420 plus 420 is 840. We're still not near. Another step, 42 times 10 equals 420. After 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, we add up 1260. What do we still need? 1386 minus 1260. That is 126. That is what I still need. Now, what times 42 will give me 126? 42 times 3 is 126. Then I get to the answer of 1386. So, what is my answer? I must add whatever I multiplied with. The 10, here is my 10, another 10, another one, and the 3. So it's 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3, and that gives me the answer of 33. So my answer will be 1386 divided by 42 equals 33. Let's do an example together. What is my sum? 1340 divided by 30. Now we are going to make use of multiplication. This is an estimation, so let's start small. 30 times 10 equals 300. Now we are quite far from 1340. So I'm not going to make use of 10 again. I'm going to use a bigger number. 30 times 20 equals 600. 600 plus 300 equals 900. That is still quite far from 1340. So let's say 30 times 10 again. That is 300. After 3 steps, we add. So if we add 300 and 600 and 300, it is 1200. Now, what do I still need? One thousand 340 minus 1200 equals 140. 30 times 4 will be the nearest. That will be 120. Because there isn't a number which I can say 30 times what will give me exactly 140. Now I get to 1320. But what must I have? I must have 1340. So that 20 will be my remainder. 20 will be my remainder. So What is my answer? That will be 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 4. 10 plus 20 is 30, plus 10 is 40, plus 4 is 44. But you remember, you mustn't forget about your remainder. So it is a remainder of 20. Method 2, Marcus method. It is the same concept as Mabali, but we are going to minus after every step. What is my sum? 1386 divided by 42. We are going to start small again. 20 times 42. You could have said 42 times 20 as well. That is 840. 1386 subtracted by 840 will give me my answer 546. Let's do 10 now because we are not far away from 1386. 10 times 42 will give me 420. After every step, I minus. 546 minus 420, and that will give me 126. Now I can't use 10 or 20 again. 3 times 42 will give me exactly 126. If I minus now, I've got a 0, so there is no remainder. How to get to my answer? I must add up what I multiplied with. I multiplied with 20. I multiplied with 10. And I multiplied with 3. So it's 20 plus 10 plus 3. My answer will be 33. Let's do an example together. This is Marcus's method. What is my sum? 2,430 divided by 25. We start with the 2,430. Here I'm going to multiply by 25 because 25 is my divisor. First, I'm going to start with 40. Why do I start with such a big number? Because 2,430 is quite a big number. It does not help to start with 10. 40 times 25 will give me 1,000. Remember, after every step, we minus. 2,430 minus 1,000 will give me 1,430. Again, I'm going to multiply by 40 because now I know it will give me 1,000. I subtract again, and that will give me the answer of 430. Now, with every 4 times 25, I will get 100, but I need 400. So I am going to multiply by 16. 16 times 25 will give me 400. I subtract again, and that will give me 30. Now I only need 1. 1 times 25 will give me 25, and if I minus, it will give me the answer of 5. What is that 5? That 5 will be my remainder. My answer, I must first add up everything I multiplied with. So I add up 40, the first 40, the second 40, plus 16 plus 1. That will give me 97. Do not forget about your remainder, the remainder of 5.